That is just crazy.
You were aware on the camera that one too.
Oh yeah. The big old turdy.
Well, that could have been from. I did drive back. Like I knew there was no oil pressure. I just kept going. Right?
Yeah. We weren't paddling.
No, I was like, fuck this thing.
I can't believe that. I'm just.
That's amazing.
Wow.
Yeah, I wouldn't worry about getting that out. It don't matter. We deal with it after. Right now, we really want to know if the block's still good, right?
Which, like, really, we want to just pop the oil pan off, but that's okay.
Well, the heads are salvageable, and they're GM performance heads, so they're good heads. What are you looking for?
I think it was at my 16, yeah.
You didn't put back in a funny drawer or something there?
No. I think it.
It's still on the head bolt there.
Oh.
Don't worry, I'll be here all week. Whoa, you gotta do that in order.
Do I actually? Oh.
No, it just matters when you're tightening it so that the head gasket's
That's what I thought. Can't please
Some
this man.
people may disagree or whatever, but I don't think it makes a lick of difference. The block's machined with a torque plate, so technically it should straighten the head when you bolt it down. So.
Oh! Ow. I'm okay, honey, don't worry.
I'm just acting like I'm not here.
You are here, you're doing this with me.
Oh. Watch it.
It's kind of awkward when you're in the back of it.
There's a lot of foot pounds on those bolts. It definitely looks like somebody's rebuilt this motor like fairly recently.
With a ratchet?
Yes. It's a pretty ratchet engine though.
Move your camera away from the truck because as I'm rattling it, it's moving. Oh, that's why you were doing that. Don't set it there, Jesse. As I move, it moves.
There's nothing I can do.
Jesse.
It has to do with the terrain we're on. I can't.
Go get a block of wood or something.
A block of wood.
Yes. Use your brain. Your small pea-sized brain. Just kidding. We won't take that on camera. Well, like problem solving skills 101.
Oh. It's not having it.
That one doesn't feel really good.
That's okay. Yeah, I'm just gonna have to keep it like that because it doesn't like it.
Just want me to not rock it.
Well, there's no way to do it. The stand is not.
What about like the round pieces of log?
just how it's got to be.
Can you open the bag up?
Where are you off to? What are you getting?
Oh, your phone's really top heavy, eh?
This is what I'm saying is I just tried all
There.
this. There. Till it falls over.
Well, at least it's not bouncing.
This will work. Actually, your idea was better. I put the rock.
Is it still filming? Can you say that again?
I did say it. No, I put the rock on the leg to hold it up. So now it's. Let me adjust this up a little so we can see you
This
more.
bolt is tight the whole way.
That's okay.
I wonder if it's buggered.
Well, as long as it doesn't snap off. Let's go. Come on. It's gotta come out. That's what machine shops are for.
She's toy. Really toy.
Yeah.
Hopefully this doesn't snap.
Try to go back the other way. It's tight too?
Oh yeah.
Okay, don't do that. Just keep going. Probably gonna break.
I'm sorry.
That's good. I don't care, I got a 555. This thing's a fucking boat anchor.
It's a ratchet.
Mm-hmm.
She's toy.
Oh well. Don't give up on it.
Oh, it's getting better. We're on the last of it. Nuts look okay. It's like a spot where it looks like it's raw metal though, so I wonder if there's just part of the block that's a bit.
Not sure. Pry bar right on the corner where you got your left hand. You got an angle. Crack that loose.
Yeah, look forever. Where?
Like on a diagonal. Off the corner there. Over here. In that corner, yeah.
In here?
Well, like on an angle. Maybe the toolbox is in the way. You should be something you can hook on there to. They're gonna be really heavy, so don't get your fingers in there.
Looks like something's down over here still.
No, it's
Maybe
just
it's
a
not
dowel,
cracked.
probably. Here, can I see that?
No, it's this
Oh,
way.
yeah, you got it.
Is there something still in there?
Bolt still? One bolt.
Oh. Oopsie.
Nice spot. There you go. So they're gonna be real heavy.
Oh yeah, that's heavy.
Very heavy. Holy summer noodles. Okay, yeah, keep lifting that side if you can. Get down here.
Sorry, I can't.
Oh, that's good. That's good. I got it. Holy shit.
Let's look at it. Ooh, that one cylinder.
Oh no, that's all in good shape.
No, I'm just saying, why is that one cylinder like the valve's darker?
Which one? This one?
Hmm.
Just running different.
Hmm.
Looks like some shrapnel went through this one.
Oh, these are performance marine head gaskets.
Oh,
That's cool.
those look pretty new also.
I think, yeah, maybe that's when the ratchet got left in there.
Fuck, you could reuse that. It's so new.
Wow. Oh, something went through. Oh, the valve. Hit.
No, like I said, some pieces something went through there.
This piston looks like it's, that's not a crack. It's
That one,
just-
is it even connected? Looks like it's on an angle.
You're absolutely right.
Tap it in there. Use the ratchet. I don't think that one's connected.
Alright, so we're starting to see some of the...
Yeah, that one's not connected to anything. No, the rest of them are good. So that was, this is the back, so that'd be this cylinder right here. That's the one that has a bit of shrapnel around.
Well, it looks like, yeah, the valve did something funny here. Or you know what? The connecting rod let loose and then the piston was floating and I bet the valve was like...
I think it does look like it touched it, but it doesn't look like there's any damage, like just like it rubbed it. I'll have to look, you can see the color. Interesting.
Cool. Alright, so you want me to start... Oh,
Very interesting.
start on this side?
Yeah. Same thing. We'll cut off like 300 fucking pounds, and then we can...
I think we can flip this so that it's up or no?
Yeah. Probably. You know what? Let me get this.
Yeah, that's perfect.
There you go. Let me check the video here. Oh yeah, that's primo. Yeah, so that's really interesting. Isn't it? Yeah, look, it says high perf on here. Nice.
Do you want to do a video with my phone and you analyze that while I'm taking this apart?
No. You can do all that after. You can talk about it. You gotta do it because you're the one. Listen, homie. We're friends, okay? Yeah, so. Man, suppose that.
I just felt the truck like lift when you lifted that.
It's gotta be a good 100 pounds.
Maybe we can rebuild this motor for my Cobra.
I think we should. It's like even those heads, they're half decent heads. We could do some part work on those and they'd be nice.
Are those not stock heads?
No, they're like a GM performance one.
I know you're gonna hate me, but could you go get some more bags?
Just put this stuff in there.
I just want to keep them organized.
I know, but I will. I'll bag it all after. Those are gonna go in here. Where's the other bag full with these? Put those in here.
Oh, look at the dinky gaskets that have glue on them. Those are even dinkier than like the cork.
Well, the other side had a cork gasket on it, so.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Where'd it go?
I think I put it over here somewhere. Yeah, that's what the intake there. Like, it's got triple
Well, that's
springs.
been pretty exciting so far.
Well, this thing has triple springs and roller rockers, and like, that's decent. That's a decent head and you know, valve frame.
Take it to the machine shop. Maybe they do the cylinder heads and stuff. The one in town.
Well, like, it's not a terrible setup.
I don't really want to like speed or anything. Like, I just want a Cobra.
Well, that's definitely good. Just gotta see what this block looks like, and maybe we'll just
Paint it all up nice and then.
buy a forge fucking setup for it. And
I would love that.
make it a 468 if it's not already.
Yeah, I'm also curious. I want to do the measurements and like see what this is because we were told it was a what 468.
Yeah, which would be a 30 over 454.
So that'd be really interesting to see if it is. I think you should get our mics, Boo. This is pretty interesting stuff.
Oh, what you're doing is interesting. Taking this motor apart, get to see all the parts. You can analyze all of them after on video and talk about it. Taking it apart is nothing really. We just
I find it interesting.
no, but we're just finding all the parts. We're getting all the parts out so we can look at them, right?
So some pitting damage, minor, but I guess does that really even matter on a push
it wouldn't
rod?
affect it. Like I said, so what that has to do with is rattling against this guide, and it makes it takes the chromal or like the coating off, and that's what causes it to roast.
Huh. All right, where's the big guns?
Careful. Watch your knuckies. Ooh. Yeah, this is a decent set of heads. Definitely make some power with them.
These ones say high performance GM.
Yeah, no, they're like I said, they're not stock smogger heads.
It says GM1T on it.
They're the good ones. High perf. That's like what you would have found on like, you know, a 425 horse Chevelle or something with those heads, right? So they are actually old, like pretty cool actually. It's so weird because I thought that cylinder like hydro locked or something, but it looks like something went in there, right?
What do you mean?
Well, like the one with the broken piston, it looks like something went in there.
I think it's just the valve. No? Can you loosen these ones for me? I can't get the right angle with where I am. Can you, Jesse?
Of course. Of course I can.
spark plug's busted off.
No, that's okay. See the flat spot there inside the block? Yeah. Right in the corner of the head there. This back corner here too. There's the.
I think they're on your side, like they're on
No,
my side.
the split plate, boo. It's back here. This corner. Your little where you put the pry wire. The bottom corner there, yeah. You got it.
Well, you think you could give me a hand there, Sonny Jim?
You get all the bolts out? No, this one here.
Oh, shit. Maybe loose. Just testing you.
Oh, you spoke That's heavy, eh? Yeah, just bring me one more to here. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, wait. Hold it up.
Yeah, that's going good. Holy shnikes, those are heavy.
There's only one rod let go.
No, don't we already do that?
Did we? Here's your nice marine jacket. That's for this side. Those bolts in the bag.
Oh, it don't matter.
No, but
The marine gas, which we don't care about those. Okay, so now we gotta move
well,
your.
I need to get the lifters out.
Yeah, that lets you. We'll just flip it over, and you could check the bottom head there. Then you could call the machine shop and be like, "How much to bore out a 454?"
No, give me a 468.
Well, you just tell them you want them to bore it. Yeah, you got them on it.
Yes.
So now we'll just pull the log out and we'll flip it over.
Is there already a bunch of fluid in here? Should we pull it like?
Nothing we can do. Shouldn't be. It's already been all over the fucking place. Been upside down all around, right? Oh. You want to try and pull your side over? No, I'll pull on this.
Pull my
that
side
way,
over?
towards this side. You grab that. 1, 2, 3.
Like I did nothing.
Okay, now we'll do one more turn. There you go.
Yep. I'm gonna pop the starter off.
Yeah, no, it's.
This is like no. Oh, we got 3 holes in the oil pan.
Nice. Clean break. See what the block looks like. Maybe that slowed it down. Fucking thing.
What?
Well, just broken rod. Good. ginormous starter, isn't it?
That is a huge starter.
We used to make go-karts out of those when we were kids.
Can I have that cloth? Just to like stop all this from... Not much, but
Should be just water.
it's enough to get your pants wet. It's definitely not.
Maybe I'll try and move this in a little closer now. Try and get it up a bit, maybe, so people can see the...
I have a light inside, like, that you could stick on the roof if you want. Struggling.
It's just showing the engine right now. Can't see your face. Want me to back up?
No, I don't care.
Just put it in. Oh, that's a whole different thing there.
Oil pan.
Yeah, we'll just set those aside because we'll throw those into the pan. Yeah, this is cool. So cool.
That one, the oil pan's like swollen around it. Two of them.
You need an extension?
I think I need a hammer. That one. One oil.
Oh, there's a good hole on this side, eh?
Oh yeah, there's good holes on every side. Like 1, 2, 3.
Bang, bang, bang.
Bang, bang, bang.
That might have saved it. Because there's not a hole in the side of it. That's amazing. Just beat it in with a hammer. That's junk anyway.
Oh yeah.
Dash on it.
That's how you make a guy blush, is yeah. Use a hammer.
Nice.
Got 2 tennies. I need. I'm excited to see what's under the pan here.
It's always the most exciting part.
Is it?
Yeah. Well, if you can see the hole, so now you're like, let's see the damage, right?
Hopefully we can get this back there so you can actually see it. Don't have to worry about wrecking the oil pan.
No.
It's stinker. Sounds like there's parts out there.
Well, there's definitely parts of it.
Is there something I'm missing?
You might have to take the flywheel off to get around the pickup tube. Oh, it's a 4-bolt too, eh? Nice! 4-bolt block. Is the block fucked?
What do you mean 4-bolt?
See the castings, like where the crank is? That's a good block.
Where the crank is.
See how there's 4 bolts holding the crank in each main?
Oh yeah?
That's a good
Oh,
one.
that's like more performance?
That's a 4-bolt bottom end. That's a good one.
Oh my gosh. Look at that. Okay, go ahead, get the camera in
Is the
here.
block fucked?
I don't know.
Oh, there's a bit of damage.
Oh yeah, the rod's completely gone.
No, but is the block damage down inside? Or just on the corners here?
It looks like there is damage at the end of the cylinder. You'll have to see it.